A world of opportunities awaits in the expansive realm of ports business, a landscape divided into diverse segments, each with their unique characteristics and contributions. Think ports terminals, the lifelines of global trade where sea meets land and goods are transferred from ship to shore. Then there are the parks economic zones, bustling hubs of commercial activities, fostering industry growth and job creation. The logistics maritime segment keeps the wheels of global commerce spinning, linking ports with markets across the world. And let's not forget the Others segment, an eclectic mix of services that complement and elevate the core port operations. Each of these segments plays a pivotal role, contributing to the overall health and growth of the ports business. With such a massive potential, it's essential to understand the different customer segments and their growth prospects. When diving into customer segments, three key factors come into play: vintage, frequency, and Net Promoter Score, or NPS for short. Vintage refers to the length of the customer's relationship with your business. The longer this period, the more likely they are to be loyal and generate repeat business. Next, frequency. This measures how often a customer interacts with your services or products. A higher frequency often indicates a higher level of customer engagement. Lastly, we have the Net Promoter Score. This is a gauge of customer satisfaction and their willingness to recommend your services or products to others. A high NPS signifies a strong customer relationship and positive word-of-mouth potential. These factors intertwine to give you a comprehensive picture of your customer base. They help you segment your customers into different categories based on their behaviors and attitudes towards your business. Understanding your customer segments will help you identify the high-growth areas and strategize accordingly. The right marketing mix is the key to unlocking your business growth potential. Price as a marketing strategy, improving port performance as a strategy. The use of distribution system in the marketing programs liaise with shipping lines and shippers to promote the door-to-door concept of containerization based on through bill of lading practice. Promote inland container terminals as distribution and consolidation centers. Price is the value you assign to your product or service. Price is shown as port handling measured in US dollar per million ton. It should reflect its perceived value, the market demand, and your overall business objectives. Placement refers to how and where your product is sold. It's about ensuring your product is accessible to your target customers. Promotion is the way you communicate with your customers. It's about creating awareness, generating interest, and ultimately driving sales. It encompasses everything from advertising and personal selling to public relations and sales promotions. By tweaking these factors, you can directly impact the demand for your products or services. Simulating different market mix scenarios can help you identify the most effective strategy for your business. Simulation is a powerful tool that allows you to test various market mix scenarios and their potential outcomes. You can experiment with different components like port handling USD per million ton, advertising, personal selling, sales promotion, trade fairs, public relations, and liaison agents. This gives you the flexibility to test multiple scenarios, each offering a unique insight into your business. By using simulation, you can make better, more informed decisions. Remember, each simulation will impact your finances and should be considered while allotting the required funding. The ports business is a goldmine waiting to be tapped. It's a world where understanding your customer segments, leveraging the marketing mix, and simulating scenarios can truly make a difference. Remember, the key to success lies in your ability to analyze, grow, and adapt. It's all about the right mix, the right strategies, and the right decisions. Harness the power of this knowledge, apply these marketing mix strategies, and watch your maritime business reach new heights. Take the first step today.